UK January nights are colder than you think, and it's seedlings that feel it as well as yourself. Like now, we have had a mild winter so far here in the UK, and more often than not, come February time, we might get snow. You usually get snow around February time, so you've got to be careful if you're starting your seedlings off. Now, I've obviously got all my chilies, my peppers, my aubergines growing on my windowsill at home. They've all germinated because they need the heat and the light to get growing and to stop them from growing leggy. But at night, it does drop the temperature, whether your heating goes off at night, and the seedlings will feel it from the windowsill, and a lot of cold might come through the windowsill and affect your plants and seedlings, and you could end up doing more damage than you actually think. So if you are growing them on your windowsill, either move them to somewhere warmer at night and then put them back on your windowsill in the morning so that they get in the light again, or make sure you have nice thick curtains to stop that cold from coming in, affecting the seedlings. And if the cold gets to the roots, it can damage the plants. It could kill them off, or it could slow the growth down and not produce great plants. So the colder nights do affect seedlings, and that is the reason, one of the reasons why I only start them 3 off at this time of year. I don't start any other seedlings off till March time, April time in my big massive greenhouse. And when you see that come that in March, April time, you'll think, wow, he has a lot of seedlings. I don't end up using them all. I get too carried away and I end up growing absolutely loads. But yeah, I end up giving loads away to my parents and to my neighbours on the plot and sharing them all out so they don't go to waste. But yeah, I absolutely go mad with growing my seedlings. I can't wait come March time. I usually end up having to have a few days off work so that I can get them all sown and prepared and ready. And obviously the cold does stress the plants out and it weakens the plants long term. So you've got to be really careful around the cold weather in your house and on your windowsills. So it's a key thing to keep the plants protected if you are growing seedlings. And obviously if you've got heated greenhouses as well, obviously make sure they're bubble wrapped or an extra layer of protection to keep them warm at night. You may even put fleece over them to give them that extra layer so that the frost doesn't get onto the leaves and damage them. So yeah, have a look around, make sure that your plants are protected during the winter months and the colder months. Like I said, it's been pretty mild this winter so far, but February it could all turn really cold and snowy, so just be prepared for weather changes. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos and when we're going to be sowing all our seeds down at the plot. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.